Welcome to FlytBase Academy. In this video, we'll explore the Mission Scheduler feature on the FlytBase dashboard. This powerful tool allows operators to efficiently create a mission calendar, set missions at specific intervals, and assign specific drones for each schedule. With the Mission Scheduler, organizing your drone fleet's flight agenda becomes seamless, ensuring effective management of routine drone operations. Whether it's for security patrols, progress tracking, or asset inspections, this feature guarantees your drones perform their tasks with minimal human intervention. To get started, navigate to Scheduler under the Planning section. Scheduling missions is as straightforward as sending meeting invites. Click on the Schedule button or left-click on the date you want to schedule a mission. First, enter a title for your schedule. Next, select the mission you want to schedule. Then, choose the drone from your fleet best suited to perform the scheduled missions. You can select the time from the drop-down menu or enter it manually if you need a more specific time. Now, the best part? You can set a custom frequency for the missions. Options range from daily to weekly at the specified time. For example, I want to schedule a patrolling mission every Monday and Thursday at 9 p.m. until June 30th. I set an end date and save the schedule. You can also monitor the status of scheduled missions here. Click on any failed mission to check the error or navigate to flight logs for completed missions. Operators will receive notifications in the fleet section whenever a scheduled mission is about to commence. If you have any questions about the mission scheduler, feel free to contact us at support@flytbase.com. That's all for this video, folks. We're excited to see the progress you make. Catch you in the next one.